Hey guys, it's Siren. So, I just wanted to record the video of the hotel before it gets demolished. I decided I wanted to build something else, so I didn't want this to go unseen. Here is a huge viewing of the hotel. It's pretty big. And I have some fans in here, some new fans actually. So let's have them say hi. Everyone say hi. Alright, let's go in the entrance. That is Zero Overcharge. He is one of my newest fans. And he's just so awesome. You see the shirt he's wearing? It's my merch. Siren and Hotfire. I don't know where Hotfire is right now. I think he's in the server. Okay, he's not in the server anymore. Okay. I don't think he gets that I'm recording right now. Oopsie. Okay. Let's change permission here. Roommates. And, oh, stop moving. Stop moving. So it looks like we have Icy Cream Sprinkle and Silly Nanny 2011. She also has a sister. I don't know where she went. So I subbed to their channel. They're really, really sweet girls. I believe they're sisters. Super awesome. Zero Overcharge says, be sure to hit the like button below and hit the subscribe button. Thanks, Zero. You're going to be like my right-hand man. I don't have to say that stuff. Okay, so I'm going to give everyone a tour of the awesome hotel before it gets demolished. I know everybody enjoyed it, but it's time to move on and build something else, and I have a great idea. Zero says to join my group as well, so I'll actually take you back here. So, here's my channel, Siren the Vixen, and I have a club that you can also get to from my profile on Roblox, which is Siren's Epic Fan Club. Go join. There's merch on there. I make merch for my fans, and it's really awesome. So, over here, we have the laundry room. Everybody needs to wash, dry, and fold, and same-day service. So, pretty much all the rooms are pretty the same, except they look different as far as the design. This one's obviously blue and green. So, pretty cool room. I'll just show you all of these quickly. Turn on the lights. Pink and black. They're all numbered as well, just like an actual hotel. Purple and orange. Over here we had the restaurant / cafeteria, and it was here for anyone who stayed in the hotel. Obviously needed to eat too to keep their stats up, so there was always food available. Here we have the super awesome pool area. It's like a party pool area. I've got the waterfall. There's fruit over to your right. Just a really cool place to hang out. And then let's show you some more rooms over here. This is obviously blue and orange. One of my fans right there. I think they opened all the doors for me. Purple and teal. Pretty nice. So imagine how much money I'm going to have when I demolish this hotel. It's going to give me all the funds to create the new idea I have, which I'm not going to share with anybody yet because it's super awesome. This is an area where you can just sit with your friends, hang out, get some soda pop, whatever you want to do. I can't believe I just called it soda pop. It's like soda or something. Anyways, here's the gym. Every hotel should have a gym. You got to stay in style. Shower area. I give this place a 5-star rating. Thanks, Icy Cream. And we have this really awesome elevator. We're going to go to the second floor. I've never seen an elevator in any of the homes here, probably because it costs a lot of money. I think it was $45,000 for the elevator. It was insane. I had to work a lot and deliver a lot of pizzas for that. Here's the beauty salon. And I will say that There are a lot of people on this game that just kind of wander around and ask everybody for money, and that's totally cool, but you know what? I'm going to say that I think maybe 3 people donated a couple $1,000s to me. It was never asked for, they just did it. So you guys work hard for your stuff. It just makes you feel so much better about what you've built. This is the game room. This is my favorite room, but it's gotta go, unfortunately. So, over here, I actually had a Hot Fires room. I was going to, all my super awesome fans that I play daily with, was going to make them rooms up here, but I only got Hot Fires room done. And I don't even think he's seen it yet, so money received. So see, I just got $200 from a random player, probably because it says it's $200 to stay in the hotel. But other than that, like I said, this place is worth, let me see its net worth. $686,879. So that's a lot of pizzas. But I have fun doing that as well. That room was never done. That room was never done. This is a little area just to kind of hang out and enjoy. I really liked this one too. I like the colors that I chose. But I will incorporate those colors in the new design that I have. This is a really cool room too. Kind of polka dots and puzzles here. I never even changed the pictures. Let's see. For the guys, I had, you know, the blue and green. And I think this is the last room that I had decorated. Just pretty basic, black and white. And you saw that. So we call the elevator, which is on room, or floor 1 for now. And there's only one thing that I have on floor 3. I was going to make an office. Actually, I started making an office yesterday, I believe. So this is going to be for me and my security guard, who is normally Unicorn, but she's not in the game right now. So every place has to have a movie theater too. Thought this was really cool. Somebody told me earlier that I forgot the Flash, so oops, when I remake a movie theater, I will definitely have the Flash in there. Popcorn machine. Everybody has to have popcorn, right? So, everybody, this is the hotel. Like, subscribe, turn on notifications, join the fan club, and I will be posting a video of the next thing I decide to build. So, with that being said, everybody have a